Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify discount codes with Shopify Admin step by step clearly. To update discount codes in Shopify using the Shopify Admin, start by logging into your Shopify Admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the Discounts section on the left-hand sidebar. In the Discounts area, you will see a list of existing discount codes. Find the discount code that you want to update and click on it. This will open the discount code details page. In the details page, you can modify various fields such as the code itself, discount type, and value. If you wish to change the discount code name, simply edit the text in the code field. To change the discount type, select from the options available, such as percentage or fixed amount. Adjust the discount value according to your requirements. If you need to set specific usage limits, you can do that in the Usage Limits section. For date-based limits, navigate to the Active Dates area to specify start and end dates for the discount. Make sure to review the eligibility criteria to ensure they meet your needs. After making all necessary changes, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the updates. Your discount code will now reflect the changes made in the Shopify Admin. To confirm your updates, you can return to the Discounts section and check if the details are accurate. This process ensures your discount codes are always current and aligned with your marketing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.